Yo guys, what's happening and welcome back to the channel. I'm AidanMCJ. Today you are joining me in sunny England. Obviously it's so sunny. Oh, it's absolutely brilliant weather. I always pick the best days to do my videos. So this is part 2 of collecting the new car. Obviously in the last episode I told you all about the Vectra, the problems we are having, why we got rid of it, and we said goodbye to the Vectra. Now today we are looking at the new car. Again, as I said in the last video, it's going to be a next level. There's not so many things wrong with it, which is a good thing. It's a more sought after car. It's going to be an actual future classic, so it's going to be absolutely brilliant. So without further ado, let's have a look at the new car. Okay, so here it is. It's a Jaguar 2002 X-Type. It is a 2.5 litre V6 engine, petrol. Obviously, that's what they did in these days. It was either a V8 or a V6, and look at that. Now, obviously, it's going to have a couple of problems, as I don't buy anything without problems on this channel, except from the Golf GTI over here. But this Jaguar hasn't got that many issues, so I'll go around the car, I'll quickly tell you about all the issues on it. There isn't that many, luckily, but we have to give it a good bath as well, so that'll be in the next episode as well. So we'll have a look a little bit closer at what the issues are. Okay, so the front headlights, they're both out. They are H1 bulbs. I've already bought the bulbs, so they are going to be replaced in one of the future episodes. As you can see, it's been sat underneath the tree for a long time, so it's going to need a really good bath. We have a private plate that will be removed and not on the car for the next sale. We have the Jaguar badge and grille down here, all in black. We're probably going to respray that to make it look a lot better. Otherwise, the interior is in very good condition, although it does need a good scrub. As we can see, there's tiny bits of mold, and also in the interior we need to get the floor mats up, get all the mold removed, and give this dashboard a real good scrub. The main problem on the car is behind this very dirty wheel, which hopefully will be coming up quite well in the next video. But right behind this wheel is a bush which we need to replace. It's a rear trailing arm bush, and we need to get this wheel off to have a look at how bad it is. That is the reason why it would fail an MOT. And then we've got to move onto the back over here to do the back lights, but this is going to be the main issue where any money is going to be spent. It's going to be behind here. On the back we see loads of bird poo, which is absolutely great for the paintwork in this beautiful Jaguar British Racing Green. And on the back we can also see two of the other problems. So see these two lights? They don't work. See that rear light? That don't work. That's going to be absolutely so much fun to replace, but I have got all the bulbs, and after we've cleaned it we're going to stick an air freshener in it as well, because it doesn't smell the best. But as we can see, these twin tailpipes, that's because the 2.5 litre V6 can live again. So overall, looking at the car, it is in very good condition. Now obviously I know the person that I bought this off for quite a while. I have driven the car before, but that was when it had all the issues, and it's been well over a year since I've driven this car, and it's been over 7 months since the car has actually moved. It will move under its own power. We have started it before a couple of weeks ago, but hopefully she'll live again. We have disconnected the battery. But overall, you can see it's in very good condition. It's just very, very dirty as it's been sat for a long time. But overall, I can say that this is a lot better than the Vectra. We also have a couple of modifications on this. So obviously, the back windows have been tinted, as you can see, in limo black. very, very dark, and the back one is limo black as well. I'm not sure on the front ones, I don't think they're tinted. And then we also have a black sun strip at the front. But other than that, no other modifications, and then that'll probably be going back to stock anyway, as we're hoping to get this to JagFest 2023 to be able to sell it. But before we do that, there's a lot of work to do. Okay, so here is the heart of the beast, the 2.5 litre petrol V6. Now it runs very, very well, so we're quite lucky with that, as that is one of the expensive bits. Now on the MOT it did say an advisory for engine damp, but as I've already had a look at the car, I can't really see where they're on about, but we will have the car in the air at some point to have a look at that. Now, as you can see, there is plenty of leaves, so that's what we're going to be doing in the next episode after we look at all that. We'll probably have to do a small service, but otherwise, the engine bay has been in pretty good condition. It will need tarting up and cleaning, but this is one of the sought after models. Now this is the 5-speed manual, satellite navigation, and it also has a 6 CD changer. Now this is the SE Sport, so that will stand us in very good stead when it comes to actually selling it. So as you can see, it's not in too bad condition. So I hope you have liked the video, guys. I hope you will subscribe and come back and comment what you want me to do with this car. Now obviously I'm going to tart it up, make it look really, really nice before we take it to JagFest and sell it. But hopefully we can get a little bit of money and move on to the big drifty cars. And my YouTube channel is sponsored by my bank account, which is losing it out very quickly because of buying these cars. But I really enjoy building them, and I hope you enjoy watching along with me. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode of the Jaguar.